Hi guys, welcome back. And in this tutorial, we will start our first VBA module. And this will be your first VBA project if you have not started till now working with the VBA codes and Excel Developer tab. So in this module, I will be covering that how to activate the Developer tab and how to write your first VBA code. So let's start. But before we start, let's understand that what is VBA. And here is a quick and dirty summary of what is VBA is all about. VBA consists of three simple things. The first one is a code. You perform actions in VBA by executing VBA code. And you write VBA code which is stored in a VBA module. Second one is module. VBA modules are stored in an Excel workbook file, but you can view or edit a module by using a Visual Basic editor. And third one is a procedure. A procedure is basically a unit of computer code that performs some action. And VBA supports two types of procedures, sub-procedures and function procedures. And in this video, I will be covering a simple sub-procedures which is consisting of a series of statements. And our first VBA procedure is a test procedure. And here you can see that we have written a small code to test a sum of two digits, that is 1 and 1, and we will get a message box with the answer. So before we begin, let us understand how to activate the Developer tab in Excel. To do this, first of all, go to File option, click on Options, search for Customize ribbon, and here you can see that we have this Developer tab which is checked right now, but by default it is unchecked. So if I uncheck it from here, you can see that Developer tab is gone from this ribbon. You can go back to Options, Customize ribbon, and check the Developer tab. So you can see the Developer tab is activated again. Click here, go to Visual Basic and insert a module. This is a VBA coding screen where you can write your VBA code. So our first code is a test sub procedure, sub test, open and close the parentheses. Now you can see that the beauty of this, you will get a end sub procedure by default by editing a sub test. So we have to write our code in between a sub test and end sub. Our first code is sum 1 plus 1. And we want our answer to be displayed in a message box. So we will type message box space and you will be asked for your message. So we will write the message here. The answer is, close back your inverted commas, space, and your sum. So here is your VBA sub procedure. So you can test your sub procedure by clicking here. So you can see the answer is 2. And this way you can write your simple sub procedures. So we can save it here. Close the screen, and now we will use a button to run this VBA code. To do this, click on this button option, right click and assign macro. You can click test, then OK. Now this button is become editable. You can click here and you will get the result. So this is how the VBA codes work. To watch how this button has been created, watch my next video to learn about the buttons. Okay, thank you guys very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you very much.